In this video, I will show you how to make Tonkeeper wallet. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up the Play Store or of course the App Store if you're on iPhone, and you want to go ahead and search for Tonkeeper. So you can see the Tonkeeper wallet here. So what you want to do is press onto this and then install this onto your device and then go ahead and open up Tonkeeper. So once you initially open up Tonkeeper, you'll see a screen like this, and you'll be given the option to create a new wallet or add an existing one. So of course what we're going to do is press onto the blue create new wallet button. And once we've done that, it's going to ask you to create a new passcode. So you want to do this first of all. Once you've done that, you'll be asked to re-enter your passcode to confirm. And then it's going to ask if you want to get notified when you receive TON, tokens, and NFT. So you can do this if you want. If you don't want to do this straight away, just come up and press later in the top right hand corner. And here we are. As you can see, we have now created our Ton wallet. So you can see the wallet address at the top here. And that is how to go ahead and create a Ton wallet on Tonkeeper. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.